Next, we'll cover the Solfa practice section. This section has a large selection of leveled resources for teaching and reinforcing solfege. The levels are sorted by relative difficulty, with simple tone sets near the top and more complicated tone sets toward the bottom. Clicking on a level brings you to the page with the content. At the top, you will see the extra details for the level, and below that, the Related Songs dropdown shows songs from the song list that use the tone set from the level. Below the related songs are the extra resources for the level. This will include printable flashcards, melody hunt worksheets and materials, and interactives focusing on the tone set for the level. The resources available on each level will vary. Scrolling down, you will see the activities for the level. These will include videos and any printable resources related to the activity. A highlight of the section is the Echo Sing videos. These come with a singer-led video and an animated animal version in multiple key signatures. Many Solfa practice levels also include poison melody and assessment videos.